What's up, Cook? So I was just on Facebook and I posted that I was getting both a Walmart and a Whole Foods delivery this afternoon. And everybody messaged me and said, we want a haul, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at what I got from Whole Foods and Walmart delivery for groceries this week. And we're going to talk a little bit about the meal plans. So join me for a grocery haul. Okay, we have a little strawberry pineapple drink, right? So in terms of meat, I didn't really have to buy any meat this week because we have in the freezer whole chickens, chicken parts. I have sausages. I have chicken sausages. Eric has ribeye. I have Cornish game hens. I have whole chickens. We have all kinds of stuff. So I didn't really need to buy any meat this week. So we're good. So starting with my little treat, because I need to get this in the freezer. One thing Whole Foods always does when you have like ice creams, they put them in these cold bags, which is pretty cool because it keeps it nice and cool, right? So they're wrapped in this, which has like a little insulator material inside there. And so I got some 365 almond milk ice cream. This is vanilla bean. And I got this berry chantilly cake. I really like these. So I don't like order from them all the time. So when I buy this, I buy a couple of these. So I have them in the refrigerator. We are planning to do some root beer floats. So I got myself some vanilla and I got Eric some French vanilla too in our Walmart haul. So the reason I like this is it does not have this carrageenan or something in it, and it doesn't have gar gum in it. That stuff really upsets my stomach. I can't eat it. So most non-dairy ice cream type things I can't eat. This is the only brand that I can eat, and that's the 365 from Whole Foods. So yeah, I'm a bad girl, right? Because I stocked up on this stuff. I usually get all that they allow me to order. So here's another vanilla. And here is another berry chantilly cake. I really like this. So let me go get these in the freezer and I'll be right back. So more refrigerator stuff. I bought some wonton wrappers. Bought 2 packs of those. I'm going to try to make some fried wontons and some wonton soup. Probably chicken. And I bought some egg roll wrappers along with my coleslaw mix so I can make my favorite chicken egg rolls. Let me get these in the fridge. Okay, so I got some frozen artichoke hearts. I actually got some whole artichokes from Walmart as well. I'm on an artichoke kick. And I did buy Eric some bagged shredded cheddar cheese. I usually don't buy it already shredded because it does have powdered cellulose in there to prevent caking. So that's not, but they were out of the regular block. That's why I got that. So for vegetables, I got some baby carrots. I plan to make a carrot cake out of these. So I got these baby carrots. I got some chives for a little breakfast, right? Got me my usual hearts of romaine lettuce. I got full heads that I usually get. I got some flat leaf parsley. I got 2 bunches of those. I got 2 bunches of cilantro, because I have to have that. I got 2 bunches of green onions or scallions. And I got an English cucumber. I also bought a loaf of the only really grocery store bread that I buy It's this Dave's Killer Bread, white bread done right. I also buy this Tuscan bread from Wegmans, but this is primarily what I buy. I got some mango peach jam. We always seem to get the same jam all the time, and I think I'm gonna start like buying one container of different kind of jam each time in addition to our regular one, just to spice it up a little bit, right? I got some pizza sauce. I also got some San Marzano crushed tomatoes. I got 2 of these. And I also got some organic tahini because I like making hummus. So let me put all this away and we'll be back with the Walmart stuff. So from Walmart, here is some almond milk. I don't know how it got smashed, but it did, right? Something obviously went on top of it. I got Eric some French vanilla ice cream because we're going to make some root beer floats. I was in the mood for root beer floats for some reason. So I got some French vanilla ice cream. I also got him this just to be funny. And I didn't know what this is, but I was like, okay, so Easter's coming up. So I'm going to get him this bunny tracks, right? I have no idea what this is. Some reason I thought this had like, it was maybe like strawberry or something, but it says vanilla flavored ice cream, chocolatey peanut butter bunnies, chocolate covered peanuts, and caramel and fudge swirls. So it's different than I thought it was going to be like pink and blue and whatever, but bunny tracks, that's what bunny tracks is. So let me get these in the refrigerator. So I got a bag of red potatoes. Yay. And here's a big bag of russet potatoes. I got a bag of garlic. I got some onions. And I got a bag of shallots. I got 2 butternut squashes because I want to make some butternut squash soup. I got 2 big bags of avocados because we are avocado freaks around here. And I got 2 artichokes. I'm going to steam these up in the pressure cooker. I will put links up here and down here on how I cook my artichokes in the Instant Pot. I got a big bag of zucchini. The bag actually ripped, so we're going to have to get another bag for this. I got 2 packs of Bay's English muffins for my breakfast. I got a cantaloupe for my breakfast. Got some mushrooms, yay!
You got 2 tomatoes somewhere.
I got some corn tortillas. Right now I have some chicken going over in the slow cooker right over there. So I'm probably gonna eat these on these, maybe have some tostadas.
Got a defective bag of Peeps.
Eric bought some Peeps and ate the whole box.
I don't know what happened.
And the last thing I got was some tomatoes. So this is kind of weird because I usually order these and they come in these bags. They're tomatoes on the vine. And usually you get like 4 tomatoes or 6 in one of these bags. So I ordered 2 of these bags, right? Well, it came and instead of them giving 2 bags, they gave me 2 tomatoes. So we're going to be a little light on tomatoes this week. I looked at it and they only billed me for these 2, but I had ordered 2 bags of tomatoes. So sorry, Eric, you only got 2 tomatoes for a whole week. So cooks, what's up? We did a little grocery haul of what I got from Whole Foods and Walmart by request. We always get our groceries delivered because it saves a lot of time and it's a really great service. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe below and hit that bell. And you can catch me out on social media, all the social media platforms, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. Same with Pinterest and Twitter, Amy Learns to Cook. Instagram, I'm actually at Cooking with Amy. All the links will be down in the description. So this is our grocery haul. We didn't buy a lot this week because we have a lot of stuff in the freezer. We're going to be making butternut squash soup. We're going to be making some stuff with the zucchini. We're going to be having a good old time. So I hope Artichokes. Yeah, I'm going to be cooking artichokes. I'll probably eat it with the chicken. So, and that's going over in the crock pot over there. So I hope you have a great week. Plan everything that you're going to eat during the week. It's really helpful. Get your groceries all at once during the week. So you'll be ready to go for the whole week, and prep some of it because that can really get you started. I hope you have a great week, and thanks for joining me.